I'm gonna show you a very beautiful property of BPDP, which is BPDP Astoria. So we are standing at front of 300 square feet of floor, which is a 3 BHK unit. You get one car park each with every apartment. Look at the elevation. Huge balconies at front and back, two-sided open. And when we talk about the vicinity, this is facing directly towards the cluster, which is of 26,000 square feet of area, which comes to 0.612 acres. And for every 36 apartment, you get the same kind of cluster, same kind of park area. Now we are heading towards the main entrance of this townhouse, where we have 6 apartments, 3 on the right and 3 on the left. So that's the main entrance. You can see we have security system of Godrej with video conferencing facility, so you can lock or unlock this main door from your apartment itself. When we enter through the townhouse, you get 3 apartments on the right and 3 apartments on the left. Look at this beautiful structure at the entrance, which makes this lobby even more lavish and more beautiful. We have 2 staircases on the right and left both. This takes you to the basement area of all the floors, because we are giving you 3 basements at -1 level, ground first and second each. When we enter to the apartment, you get a huge living area of 12 by 18, which is directly connected to the lawn area at front, because at ground floor, we are also offering front lawn and a backyard space. Look at the view. How beautiful this is. So that's the entire apartment. Now, just with the living area, just at the side, we have a guest bedroom over here. Again, connected with the front lawn and another guest washroom with all CP fittings and sanitary wares installed, with the shower area as well. Now, I'm gonna show you the dining area. This is the dining area, which is just next to living, which is of a very good size. This has a utility area as well, just next to the dining, where you can put your stuff. And just at the front of dining, you get kitchen, which is 12.5 by 9. Again, a very good size for a kitchen. And kitchen also has a utility balcony just next to the sink area, as you can see. Moving ahead, we have another 2 bedrooms on this side. One bedroom is on the right and one is on the left. The best part is all the bedrooms are at some corner, so you get the complete privacy in all the bedrooms. All these 2 bedrooms, except the guest bedroom, comes with wooden flooring. So this has attached washroom, again with all CP fittings and sanitary wares, with a perfect match tiles. And this bedroom also connects you to the backyard. Look at the size of the backyard. Huge backyard is there. And from this backyard, you can also connect to the master bedroom, because this backyard is connected from both of the bedrooms at the back. Master bedroom also has wooden flooring, and you get an additional advantage that this has a separate dressing area over here along with the washroom. So washrooms are fully equipped with all CP and sanitary wares. And the best part is we are giving you all electrical fittings of Schneider.